Dear students, I am Dr. Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Shira, Tumkur District. The topic of today's lecture is the control and preventive measures of bugs. So this comes under paper 4, that is insect vectors and diseases. BSc 4th semester Zoology, Tumkur University. Control and preventive measures of bugs. As far as the control and prevention of the bugs are concerned, several ideas, several methods have been practiced, so that involves the bug bombs made up of chemicals and other consumer options for pest control are rarely effective. Instead, put cloths in hot water bucket with detergent or in your washing machine at hot wash setting. So this will be found effective. Instead of killing the bed bugs by using the chemicals and other consumer options of pest control are very rarely effective when compared to the cloths which are affected, and the bedding or the mattresses or the bed sheets, so which are infested, and these are subjected to dip in the hot water in the bucket with a detergent, and by washing this material in your washing machine with hot mode of wash, will get rid of the bugs will automatically die. Bed bugs were treated by wholesale spraying of beds, floors, walls, furniture, etc. with DDT. Okay, so this is one of the method of spraying the insecticide, including the DDT. Okay, so infested material here involves the bed floors, the walls, furniture, etc. The infested bedding or the bed cloths or bed sheets and other garments will need to be bagged, laundered of about 120 degree Fahrenheit minimum, since these times they cannot be treated with insecticides. That is hot water boiling, hot water bathali adana immerse ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Bed bugs also succumb to cold temperature below 32 degree Fahrenheit. Below 32 degree, 0 degree centigrade ali usually the bed bugs will not survive. Vacuuming is another method that can be very useful for removing bugs and eggs from mattresses, below the carpets, walls and other surfaces. So that is vacuum cleaning is one of the effective method of killing and controlling the bugs in the houses. The steam cleaning of carpets is also helpful for killing the bugs and also their eggs which are present in different parts. So in the houses, that is the carpets and other below the beds, mattresses, etc. Some pest control firms treat tufts and crevices of the bed components, but they will not spray the mattresses surfaces, bed sheets, blankets or clothing. Some pest control firms, they usually they are practicing a different methods of killing the bed bugs, that is treating the tufts, crevices and all the components which are infested, so by their own methods, having their creams and all, but they do not spray the insecticides and all. Okay, some pest control firms also treat the beds with the portable steam machines. by giving steam to the bed so that one can clean or one can remove the eggs and also the adult bugs which are present in the beds by giving the steam. Fumigation is another method, a way of de-infesting the bugs. Okay, fumigation, giving the fumes. Okay, so fumigation in a closed area, they create a fume of different concentration and they subject the beds and cloth infested material in that particular area. So that will be helpful in order to eradicate or kill the bugs. In extreme cases, the entire buildings have been fumigated for bed bugs. Imagine a situation where if the complete house has to be treated with this the fumigation. Okay, in an extreme cases, the entire building have been fumigated for bed bugs in order to eradicate or in order to clean the complete house. The fumigation is necessary. The procedure is costly, though, and involves the covering of the building in a trap and injecting the lethal gas for fumigation. Mattresses may be treated with Sterifab or Microban formula X150. Okay, mattresses and the bedding material may be treated with the other chemical substances by name Sterifab or Microban formula X550. Due to the effect of these chemicals, usually the bed bugs will come out and ultimately they are killed. It is one of the few products registered for treating the mattresses. That is, nama haskegolu odkolodu enella iruttalla adu. Generally, it is easier and better to get rid of the infested mattresses without spreading the bed bugs in the closed areas. However, since Sterifab is non-residual, it must be sprayed directly onto the bugs to be very effective. A chemical, that is the Sterifab, is a non-residual and it must be sprayed directly onto the bug so that it will be very effective in order to kill the bugs. It is believed that no safe insecticide, however, will kill the eggs. Okay, there is no particular insecticide to kill the eggs of the bed bugs. However, to some extent, DDT and other insecticides are used to kill the bed bugs. So, dear students, so this is all about how to control and preventive measures of the bugs in the infested areas. So, this slide shows the reference materials along with the link. So, this is the time of COVID-19 pandemic. The second wave is operating. Take maximum precautions. Wash your hands frequently with soap and use sanitizers. Wear face covering or face mask. Maintain a social distance of minimum 2 meters between the individuals. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you.